everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up 24 Ink T-shirt of the month club. So we'll do a little unboxing and then I will try on the shirt we got. So I've been getting this for a while now. I love the subscription. I'm gonna link them in the description box. So they have a monthly t-shirt or t-shirt of the month club that is $17.99, and they have like all sizes from like kids to like double X, maybe even 4X, but they accompany a wide range of ages and also sizes, and it's personalized. You fill out a profile and let them know what type of shirts you like, all of that. And if you don't want to get it monthly, they do offer not annual. Wow, can you tell I haven't like talked all day? They offer a seasonal subscription that is $19.99. So I'm gonna link this little shop they made for us. So it shows past shirts I've gotten, and then when you scroll down in the bottom, you'll see the two different subscription plans. So you can also order just shirts from their website, and they also do custom stuff too. So if you're looking to get some custom shirts made, check them out. So yeah, I'll link them down below, and there is a code to save some money I will leave in the description as well. I believe it's either 10 or 15% off that will be down there. I had it up on my phone, but I'm using my phone to film this, so I'm sorry about that, but all the information is in the description box, and let's get started. So they always have it in such a cute bag. And I forgot to mention they do have like an extra goodie that comes in each bag too, and we get facts, so there's like a theme each month. Let's get this open. Should have brought my scissors, but I think I got it. Yeah, I have so many shirts of theirs now, and they last. We're washing them all the time. So here it is all wrapped up. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. I love that. Let's get this out. So it's wrapped really well, and it gives you some washing instructions, which is nice. So we have this little art print too, which is super sweet. I love that. You know, I launched that. Motivational stuff. Card holder. So our little extra. Oh, cool. Okay, so now they're displaying monthly theme cards like this. And our gift this month is something to hold it. So there's this little cube on the bottom, and then you clip it up here. So it says each month you can use them to make a decorative wall. That's so cool. Okay. I love this. This is so cute. So you could do it with this, or if you have like a tarot card or something at home you want to display, but this is our picture. I love this. Let me set it right. Should I put it right here for the unboxing? It looks so far away up. And then we have something that talks about their custom shop. So they make all sorts of things. Custom printing, clothing, invitations, party supplies, mugs, bulk embroidery, and more. And then there's 10% off their order. I'm just going to leave this close if anyone wants to scan it or take a screenshot. And now, let's get into the shirt. Here we go. Ooh, I don't know what it says here, but oh my god, you can tell the quality is really good. Do what makes you happy. I love that. I was like talking about that in a tarot reading today. Oh my god, this is so cute. You guys, it feels like such good material. Let's read what it is made from. So I get a size medium. So this is a combination of cotton and polyester. It just seems like a little bit thicker, you know what I mean? It feels really soft. Oh, sorry if you heard my Skype go off. Okay, this is so cute. This is like so me. Let's put it on. And I feel like it fits true to size. You know, sometimes you have to like size up certain things. I think the medium fits me well. Sorry again about that. I have class a little bit. I Skype with my tarot friends. My hair's getting so long, isn't it? So, do what makes you happy. Is it backwards for you guys? I don't know. I'm filming with my phone. Sometimes I can't tell. I think it does come out right, but this is so comfy. And I like where it hits like on my waist here. So I love this. I love all their shirts. Check them out. I feel like this is such a great thing for yourself and anyone. Like, we all wear t-shirts, right? And it's like custom and it's fun. So I'm going to link them down below again. Thank you 24 Ink for sending this to me. Thank you guys for being here and watching this video. And I do believe the link I'm putting below is an affiliate link, so at no extra cost to you when you use my link, I get a little bit of a kickback, so thank you so much if you use that. I should mention that in the beginning, but sometimes I forget, but just pure, like, true transparency. I want to always be honest with you guys because I love you. I hope you are well. And remember, learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow, and do what makes you happy. Oh, I love this. I love you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you.